Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, let's learn about caulking. Here are the items you will need before you begin: a putty knife, a utility knife, a caulking gun, and a tube of silicone latex acrylic caulk that paint will adhere to. You may also want to use special tools for caulking removal and application. Your new Taylor Morrison home has been sufficiently sealed at exterior windows and doors with caulk to keep moisture, drafts, and insects from penetrating these areas. Damage can occur if these areas aren't properly maintained. Weather and the elements can cause your caulking to shrink and separate, leaving gaps where moisture can seep through. We recommend that you do a visual inspection once a year to identify areas that may need to be re-caulked. These gaps should be addressed immediately. Use your putty knife to separate and peel away the old caulk to ensure a proper seal. Insert your tube of caulk into the caulk gun. With your utility knife, carefully cut the tip so that the bead of material will be slightly wider than the area you have to fill. Apply the caulk with constant pressure and completely cover the gaps. Before the product dries, neatly smooth out the caulk with your finger or a tool and wipe away the excess with a damp cloth. Use a large diameter nail or screw to seal the tip of your caulk so the product doesn't go dry before your next use. For caulking around kitchen tile, bathtubs, showers, and toilets, use the sealant specifically formulated for these wet areas. Remove old caulk with your utility knife or caulk removal tool. Do like the pros do and prepare your work area with painter's tape for a clean, even edge. Apply your sealant with constant pressure. Then smooth out the sealant with your finger or tool. Carefully lift your tape and leave the area undisturbed until it dries.
Taylor Morrison. Homes inspired by you.